Hey everyone, it's Donna. Thanks for stopping by. Okay, round of applause if you've ever owned the Ikea Kallax. Yep, me too. Had it in white for years, but I decided to change the color. Picked up this lovely pill and stick contact paper from Target and covered my Kallax with that. And voila, now she's gray. But, I got these baskets also from Target, and that helped with the organization for a while. But after a while, I actually got tired of looking at the baskets. It still looked too busy. So I wanted to hide that clutter and I decided to make door fronts. What a difference. It looks so great and it streamlined that whole cabinet. But I got bored of that color. Found some cool inspo pictures and wanting to bring the black like I have on my nightstand out into the living room, I decided to go black with my Kallax. So I got started. I had got some 2-inch hobby board from Home Depot, as well as some rubberized shelf liner and some black contact paper. I got home, I painted the hobby board black and started the process. I put down the rubberized shelf liner on the door fronts. I really, really love that texture and framed it out with the hobby board and everything. It looked great. It actually warmed up the space. It just looked a whole lot better. I'm so happy with the end result.